Normal trail driving is just fine. Well, I say that while I'm recording, not paying attention to this big old knot sticking up right there. Another big old knot. Just these fenders. Alright, this looks like a good little spot right here to do a field repair. So I cut an inch plus off those fender wells. So now it's flush with the frame rails. So that should definitely help. And fenders are snagging everything. There we go. It's much better. See how it navigates this rock up here in these. Yeah, much better. It's just framing out. Yep, still gonna need some help. So it's just bombing out these little 1.5s. I wanted to try to keep it as scale and not put big old 1.9s on it. So, but this trail here is pretty sticky, rocky. There we go. There you go, just need a little backup and reinforcements. Y'all get to see the first outing with this trailer. Just shaking it down. And that's what we're doing with both trucks. Both of them are getting shut down today. Well, we ran across some mud here. Let's see how it does in the mud. Oh, well, shoot, it's not that muddy. I barely got the tires muddy. Stuck on them roots there. There you go, power over. See if we can't make it through this root gauntlet over here. Oh yeah. See how this thing will pull through the grass a little bit. Pulled it around through the yard, did pretty good, but this is pretty intense. Now I know it's not going to make it back up this hill because this hill is pretty steep. Well, we all know the brakes are really good on the Atlas. Oh, all right. Not bad, not bad. Oh, trailer snagged on something. Give her a little push there. Might just be a little too rough down here for the trailer. All right, well, let me get this thing here undone and let's play in this water some and shake this D110 down.